Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to send voice message on TikTok message. Maybe you want to send someone a voice note on TikTok and you don't know how to do that. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to do that. If this is your first time, if you're coming through the channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this on the channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to click on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. You can go ahead on the chat of the person you want to send the voice notes. Here, you're going to be clicking on maybe the voice note option is not showing on your TikTok. First, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. For some reason, your TikTok is not showing you the chat, so you need to update your TikTok. You can go ahead and type in TikTok, and if there is option for updates as well as mine here, you can see the updates. You can click on update your TikTok. So you are going to update your TikTok. While it's updating, let me just go ahead and show you where you can find voice notes. Once it is updated, you can find the voice notes behind the sticker. Yeah, behind the sticker. You can go ahead and tap and hold on the voice note and say whatever you want to say and send it to the person. So that is it on how to find voice notes, how to send voice notes on TikTok. If you found this the helpful, because I've come to the very end of this video, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we'll create more helpful videos like this on the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.